Next theorem is find the radius of curvature in Pedal form. Third theorem. Find the radius of curvature in Pedal form. So what is Pedal form, girls? क्या बोलिए? What is Pedal form? When we give something in form of P and R, then we say that the function is in Pedal form. So how can we write the Pedal form? P equals to FR. So P equal to FR is known as the Pedal equation. Okay. So अभी हमें क्या करना है? We have to find the Pedal equation for what? For the curvature. So what is the definition of curvature? What is the formula? Rho is what? ds by ds by d psi. And what is the radius of curvature in the Cartesian form? 1 plus divided by y2. And again we have done in the parametric form also. So we use this formula to construct this curvature for the pedal form only. Okay. So right, next form or prove that in both the form the question will ask in your exam. Prove that rho equal to r dr by dp. And again one of the important formula which will ask in your objective questions also, where the symbols have their usual meaning. Have their usual meaning. So any doubt in this question? Plus question clear है? क्या बोल रहे theorem में? So let's do the proof. To prove this theorem, first we draw some curve. Here as a curve, and now we have drawn a triangle in this curve like this. This is our x-axis. This makes an angle psi. When this tangent meets the x-axis, this makes an angle psi with the x-axis, and this is the point P r theta. So when we extend this point P r theta from here, what we get? We get another point in this tangent like N. This will be N. And this will be 90 degree. होगा हमेशा? And this is your theta, and this is your R. What about this angle, girls? ये पूरा angle and this angle. This is your phi. So this is pi minus phi because this is whole your phi. And this one is known as P, the distance from this point O to N as a perpendicular distance, and we consider this perpendicular distance as P. So is the figure is clear, girls? Online? Okay. So now we do the description of this figure. So first we let the P be any point r theta. कहाँ पे? तो on the curve. इस curve पे हमने एक point P ले लिया r theta on the curve. Okay. And then we draw OP equals to r. Just because we have taken this P is r theta, so this length OP is a small r. So OP equal to r. And angle POX equal to an angle POX. POX is your theta because the second coordinate is theta. So this will be your theta. Okay. So next what we do? We draw our tangent PT. We draw our tangent PT in the x-axis. Next we draw our tangent PT on x-axis. PT. Next we draw tangent PT. Or you can write PT to the curve at P. Okay, to the curve at P. Better you write to the curve at P. Curve at. So don't get confused. This is the point P and here I have taken this P. So write like this, ताकि दोनों में differentiate कर सकें. Okay. Next we draw PN. Next we draw PN. Draw a PON perpendicular to this tangent. Okay. Therefore, we let ON equal to P. And this way. Capital P हम लोगों ने ले लिया है ON को. तो यहाँ पे OPT क्या हो जाएगा? OPT. OPT is your phi. ये भी हमने मान लिया कि हमारा एंगल क्या है? phi. ठीक है? कोई डाउट इस पे? गर्ल्स? Therefore OPN भी दिखा दीजिए from this figure. From the figure, अभी figure का ही description दे रहे हैं. तो from figure, what is angle OPN? Is your pi minus phi. Is your pi minus phi. And what is angle PTX? What is angle PTX from this figure? Side. So now this completes the figure. Okay, description सारा हमने दे दिया figure का. अब हम लोग चलते हैं construction part. Guys, have you been completed? Are you completed? Now I have a limitation. Only to write from here only. Now अब हम लोग figure पे आते हैं. इस फिगर में मुझे ये बताइए कि sin phi का वैल्यू क्या होगा? What we have done in a tan phi? What we have a tan phi? R d theta by यही है ना? कैसे आता है? sin phi by cos phi. और कैसे डिस्क्रिप्शन निकाले थे? जहाँ पे परपेंडिकुलर लेंथ पड़ा था r d theta by ds and then dr by ds. That means this portion will give you the value of the sin phi and this portion will give you the value of the cos phi. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है? इन्हीं वैल्यूज को अप्लाई करना है. तो if you don't have a value, then you write like this. We know that. We know that. This one. तो यहाँ से हमें क्या हो गया? sin phi की भी वैल्यू मिल गई and then cos phi की भी वैल्यू मिल गई. So now you write the sin phi equal to what and the cos phi equal to what. Therefore, the sin phi is r d theta by ds and cos phi is dr by ds. You all remember this one. कि tan phi की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? r d theta by dr. Okay. Done girls? Completed? अब आते हैं फिगर. From figure. What this exterior angle is? From the geometry, what we write this exterior angle in this triangle OPT. What this exterior angle is? Psi is equal to what? What we can write? Phi plus theta. So phi equal to phi plus theta. Why? Why? Yes, what is the reason? Exterior angle is the sum of interior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior angle. So if we write d psi by ds here, why? Because we are looking for the value of what? ds by d psi. So here I have a psi. So now I'll write d psi by ds. So we can write this one as d phi by ds and then again d theta by ds. Accepted? So what this value is? What this value is? Yes, 1 by rho. ओके, so 1 by rho is d psi by ds and this much. तो यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट टाइम में आप लिखोगे यहाँ पे जैसे this implies 1 by rho equal to d phi by ds and plus we have d theta by ds. Okay, what is equation number? So we will give the name. Put it equation number 1, then 2, then put this number. Now in the right angle triangle, अब हम लोग triangle को यहाँ से use करेंगे. Now we have in the right angle triangle ONP. Now in right angle triangle, ONP. ONP में हमें क्या वैल्यू मिलेगा, हमें क्या क्या चाहिए ये देखो. हमें ये P अप्लाई करनी है, हमें ये R अप्लाई करना है. तो अभी जो भी एंगल हमें यहाँ से देखना, वो ये सोचता है कि क्या हम यूज करें कि हमें ये वैल्यू मिल जाए. तो अगर हम साइन एंगल यूज करते हैं, साइन पाई माइनस पाई, दिस वन, ये हो गया आपका ट्रायंगल, ये यूज करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलेगा वो देखो. What is sin pi minus pi in this triangle? ON by होगा. And what is the OAS? R. And this OP is P. Okay. Clear है? P by R. P by R. P by. Thank you girls. एक वैल्यू. What is sin pi minus pi? Sin pi minus pi कैसे निकालेंगे, क्या होता है? Pi. Why sin pi girls? Why sin pi? Pi minus pi. क्यों होता है? I'm asking why. होता तो है, क्यों होता है? In which quadrant this value will lie? Second quadrant. What other values are positive in second quadrant? The sign is positive. Yes, sign is negative. So we will write sin phi. Okay. And of course, if your phi, if it be the phi some angle, might be possible. This is 180. Might be possible this phi is 80 degrees. Then what do you get? 100. Okay. So the second quadrant. If this phi will be 120, then you get a 60 here. Then this will become in first quadrant. That means the possibility is only for this value is positive and the value lies in the either the first quadrant or the second quadrant. So this will always be positive. Okay. So here we are getting the value of the sin phi. Next, therefore, क्या मिला हमें यहाँ से वैल्यू? Can we get some formula from here? Can we get some formula from here? What this formula is? In the previous chapter we have done this. What this formula is? Pedal form. This is the pedal equation. P equal to R sin phi. So now we have these from the pedal form. Okay. So P equal to R sin phi. Put it equation number 4. Okay, but we are looking for again the value of rho. So क्या करेंगे? Now differentiating both sides with respect to s. Now differentiating both sides with respect to s. Why s girls? Because we are looking for the value with respect to s. हाँ यही चाहिए ना अभी. हमें 1 by rho की वैल्यू कितनी मिल गई है? d phi by ds plus d theta by ds. And now we are looking for the value of this one. इसकी वैल्यू कितना हमें मिलेगा कि हम यहाँ से इस रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर को फाइंड आउट कर सके in terms of p and r. Okay, that's why we have differentiating equation number 4 with respect to s. Now to the differentiation. So dp by ds. Now what we get here? बनाइए क्या आएगा? अगर s से करेंगे तो आएगा वैल्यू d phi by dx हो जाएगा। wait d phi by dr, we have a formula of function as dp by dr. dp by dr is the radius of curvature in polar okay. So we are looking for this value only, so not s. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to r. Because we are searching for the curvature in the pedal form only, na? So, in the pedal form, the function is p equal to fr, and the radius of curvature is given as dp by dr. That's why. So, while this differentiating with respect to r, we have dp by dr equal to what? From here only we get sin phi. Then after cos phi. Sin phi का कर दिया cos phi, और r as it is d phi by dr. अब यहाँ वैल्यू पुट करेंगे हम लोग साइन और कॉस। इज इट क्लियर गर्ल्स? चलिए पुट करिए वैल्यू साइन फाई की कॉस फाई की, डू द कैलकुलेशन। पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन फाई कॉस फाई हियर। So what we have dp by dr equal to, now sin phi, sin phi की वैल्यू कितना निकाला हम लोगों ने? बोलिए r d theta by ds, and then we have plus r. So what we have the next value? r into dr by ds, and then d phi by dr. d phi by dr. So look, while taking the r common, okay, what we have? d theta by ds, and then from here d phi by ds, dr and dr getting cancelled. So what this value is? 1 by rho. कहाँ से? From equation number 6. So this is your dp by dr. Now we have rho equal to what? So rho is equal to, ये इधर ले जाएंगे r dr by d. This is the radius of curvature in pedal. Okay, here the values are only in terms of what? P and r. P and r, and this will give the radius of curvature in pedal. Any doubt girls? किस स्टेप में कहीं जहाँ नहीं समझ में आया है? You girls online जितने लोग हैं, any doubt? Oh, okay. So write the next theorem. Find the radius of curvature. Find the radius of curvature for the polar curve. Now we have a polar curve. So what this polar curve is? कैसे लिखते हैं? R equal to f theta. कितने होंगे इसके? आपके कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैसे होते हैं? R and theta में होते हैं। तो जब भी हम पोलर फॉर्म के लिए लिखेंगे तो we have an equation in the form of R equals to f theta. That means now we have to find this rho in terms of R and theta. Let's do the solution. बोलिए, कुछ हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था इसके पहले, कोई रिलेशन पढ़ा था हम लोगों ने इसके लिए? In the last chapter we have done length from the pole. क्या था? What was the equation? 1 by r to the power 4 equal to something. Do you remember girls? आप लोग ऑनलाइन वाले कॉपी से चीट करिए, बताइए क्या था? आप लोग कॉपी में नोट डाउन नहीं किए हो? So what was the equation? That was 1 by r to the power 4, 1 by r square, sorry, 1 by r to the power 4 into dr by d theta whole square plus 1 by r square equal to 1 by t square. क्या था ये? क्या था ये? लेंथ फ्रॉम द कोर निकाला था हम लोगों ने लास्ट चैप्टर्स में, एंड दिस वाज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम फ्रॉम द लास्ट चैप्टर. ओके, सो वी यूज दिस थ्योरम हियर टू डिलीवर दिस रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. तो करेंगे फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में. ठीक है, अभी क्या है आप लोग सबसे है ना. So girls, you all join. Okay, next day, whenever I have a class, I'll give the link. Okay, for the online classes. Or if possible, you all come to the college. Okay. Okay. अभी close कर लीजिए आप लोग.